Ever looked at your phone, saw the Wealthsimple app, and thought, great, now how do I actually get in? Welcome to the club. Let's dive into how to log into Wealthsimple. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's an app. How hard can it be? Well, let's just say that sometimes the simplest things can be the most confusing. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the world of wealth management, let's get you logged in and exploring your financial journey. First things first, make sure you have the Wealthsimple app downloaded. If not, head to your app store, search for Wealthsimple, and hit that download button. Once it's installed, let's open it up. You'll likely be greeted with a welcome screen, a login screen, or maybe even a sign-up option. If you're new to Wealthsimple, that sign-up process is for another video. Today, we're all about logging in. At the login screen, you'll typically see two fields, one for your email address and another for your password. This is where you input the credentials you used when you first signed up. Remember that password you thought was super secure but now can't quite recall? Yeah, that one. If you're lucky, you might have the option to log in with your fingerprint or facial recognition. This is where technology truly shines. It's like having a personal butler who knows it's you just by looking at you. But don't worry if you don't have this feature. We all start somewhere. Once you've entered your email and password, or used biometrics, hit that login button. Fingers crossed. If you get a green light, congratulations. You're in. Welcome to your financial dashboard. If you get a red light, don't panic. We've all been there. Maybe you mistyped your email, or that password you thought was so secure is actually a distant memory. If you've forgotten your password, most apps, including Wealthsimple, have a forgot password option. Click on that, follow the prompts, and hopefully, you'll be back in business in no time. Now, let's talk about security. Using public Wi-Fi to log into your financial app might seem convenient, but it's like leaving your front door unlocked. It's a big no-no. Always prioritize secure Wi-Fi connections to protect your information. Also, be wary of phishing attempts. Wealthsimple will never ask for your password or personal information via email or text. If you receive a suspicious message claiming to be from Wealthsimple, delete it immediately. Okay, so you're logged in. What now? Well, that depends on your financial goals. Are you saving for a down payment? Investing for retirement? Or maybe you just want to check your balance? The beauty of Wealthsimple is that it's designed to be user-friendly, so navigating through the app shouldn't be too tricky. But if you get stuck, don't hesitate to check out Wealthsimple's Help Center or reach out to their customer support. They're there to help you make the most of your financial journey. So, there you have it. Logging into Wealthsimple doesn't have to be a complex ordeal. With a little patience and the right steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your finances. Remember, financial wellness is a journey, not a destination. It's about making informed decisions, setting goals, and taking steps to achieve them. And tools like Wealthsimple can be valuable companions along the way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.